taking beautiful and cool wedding photos. In this video, I will show you how to take beautiful and cool wedding photos against a white background. First, have the groom and bride stand side by side in front of a white background. The train of the bride dress makes it look beautiful. If this is not beautiful, it will affect the photo. First, I will take a photo with only ambient light without using a stove. The overall image looks very muddy and doesn't look beautiful. Next, use a stove. This time, I will use a Comet Twinkle monoblock stove with a large 180 cm softbox called Kimira Shallow Bank L. Try applying it from the front right side. The distance from the subject is about 5 meters. Since the light and the subject are far apart, the light is a little bit hard. The light is coming from the front, so it looks flat and even makes the glasses shine. It is not a beautiful light. It indeed looks like I am using a stove. So I will hit this big softbox from the right side. The distance from the subject is about 2 meters. Now, let's take a shot. Because it's a large softbox, the light is softer and the contrast is a little stronger. It looks pretty and cool. The result is a photo that focuses on the subject with less dark surroundings. I like the light very much. I want to take photos with softer light, so this time I bounce the Godox 8200 stove against the white wall on the right. I use 2 stoves because I want to make the light bigger and softer. Now let's take a picture. The light is soft and very beautiful, but the light hits the whole area and makes it brighter. This is okay, but personally I think it is better to use a large softbox directly. I think it looks more attractive. If you want to make the overall light brighter and softer, bounce the stove off a white wall. Consider the light quality and direction of the light and try taking your own bridal photos. Please give it a try.